Welcome, space enthusiasts! Today we're diving into a groundbreaking discovery made by ESA's Gaia Space Telescope that is rewriting the history of our galaxy. Let's get started. Around 2 million years ago, Earth was a very different place. Our early human ancestors lived alongside saber-toothed tigers, mastodons, and enormous rodents. The planet was in a deep freeze with multiple ice ages until about 12,000 years ago. Scientists have long theorized that ice ages occur due to various factors like the planet's tilt and rotation, shifting plate tectonics, volcanic eruptions, and carbon dioxide levels. But what if these drastic changes are also influenced by the sun's location in the galaxy? In a new paper published in Nature Astronomy, lead author and astrophysicist Merav Opher from Boston University found evidence that around 2 million years ago, our solar system encountered a dense interstellar cloud that could have interfered with the sun's solar wind. This discovery suggests that the sun's location in space might shape Earth's history more than we previously thought. Our solar system is surrounded by a protective plasma shield called the heliosphere, made from a constant flow of charged particles known as the solar wind. This shield protects us from harmful radiation and galactic rays, crucial for life on Earth. The cold cloud compressed the heliosphere, briefly exposing Earth and other planets to the interstellar medium. This exposure aligns with geological evidence of increased radioactive isotopes found in ocean sediments, moon samples, Antarctic snow, and ice cores from that period. Co-author Avi Loeb from Harvard University says this encounter with dense clouds could have exposed Earth to a larger flux of cosmic rays and hydrogen atoms, potentially affecting Earth's climate. Opher and her team are now tracing the sun's location millions of years in the past using data from ESA's Gaia mission, which is creating the largest 3D map of our galaxy. While it's impossible to know the exact impact of these cold clouds, Opher's team at BU's Shield Drive Science Center is exploring their potential effects on Earth's radiation, atmosphere, and climate. This discovery opens new doors to understanding how cosmic events have shaped our planet. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the fascinating history of our galaxy and its impact on Earth.